Okay, my name is Abuchi Modilim, the internet god. The characters are Ezugo, the custodian of each shrine, Izunna, the only child of Ezugo who returned from America. Then we have drummers, chorus, and the dancers. Evening. The stage opens in Ezugo's compound. The full moon awash the compound. Ezugo is sitting on a wooden stool, bare-chested, in an old wrapper, the fold dropping between his legs. He is looking at Izunna, who is in shorts, jacket and boots, and sitting on a rubber chair. His arms resting on the sides of the chair. He's wearing a camera around his neck. Ezugo, I'm thankful to the gods for leading you home safely across mighty seas. A safe arrival is the prayer for every journey. I know you were not planning to return again. Izunna, you know that's not true. I was planning to return at the right time. Do you know how much I paid for my returning ticket? Ezugo, you returned for a better cause. I sent you to America to go and study and not to settle there after studies like a wanderer. My time on earth is not long anymore. I will be joining my ancestors soon. It's your time now to take over. Izunna, take over the family house or what? Ezugo, take over the shrine, Izunna. Have you forgotten you are the head custodian? Was this not our plan that you must return after studies to take over? Izunna, it was, Papa, but that was before I saw America. Papa, no one who sees America will ever return to their old ways. Papa, the plan should be for you to visit America and not me taking over some fetishes. America is blessed. America is Ezugo. Shut that pitch to come out. Who are you to call the gods of my father as fetishes? The fetishes provided money for your studies in America and protected you in America. The fetishes made you what you are today. You must have it. It is a must. It is only a foolish son that spits his mother's food because of the aroma of the food from the mother's old wife's kitchen. Or wait, have you joined the church? Izunna, Papa, don't bring the church into this. Since I'm the next custodian of E, hope I'm allowed to take him with me to America because that's the only way I can serve him. Ezugo, you are joking, right? You want to take the gods of my ancestors with you to America? E to America. Izunna, I am not joking, Papa. E will be global if I take him to America. The whole world will hear of him. Think about it. Ezugo, I would bet that you left your senses in America. So, you want to carry E with you to America and sell him there, right? Like our brothers did years back. But, how did they end? Go and ask. Anyone who wakes the sleeping bee in search of honey will spend the rest of their life wandering in the bush. Izunna, no one is going to wander in the bush. Why will I sell E? I cannot do it. Papa, is E on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter? Ezugo, what are those? They are social media. If I open accounts for E on those, he will go international. People all over the world will begin to follow him and come for help and pay in dollar. Ezugo, is this not like, what do you call it again? Izunna, internet. Ezugo, Shimo. So you want to make the gods of my fathers internet god? Izunna, yes, the internet god. You know, I will be a custodian with swag.